Many of the times when you are designing, you are merging two images and you have a different background and a different set of image. When you are merging them, you are like this image is not blending with the background or not going as good with the background. Background colors are different and image colors are different. So what's up guys, my name is Yash and I am a graphic designer. So in today's video we would be discussing about how you can make image blend with background or image and background colors almost same so that image can make a match with background. So would be teaching that in this video, so make sure to watch video till end. And if you are new to the channel, so make sure to hit a subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to hit a like also. So now let's move to our screen to blend the image with the background. So now we are here at my screen and I am using these two images to show you how you can blend two images in each other. For now this image is pretty random and yep, it is not matching with the background. This is a different image, the background image, and this one is a different image. And now you want to blend it with the background. So it is very simple. Either you can change colors of both background or image, or either you can change the colors of image as according to the background. So first I would change the colors of the both. I will show you how you can change the colors of the both. So yeah, you just select the image and it is a option here, and you go here and just go to color balance, and here are three options: shadows, midtones and highlights. So shadows are basically responsible for the black part in the image, and highlights are responsible for the white color in the image, and midtones are the main which provide color to the image. So shadows for blacks, highlights for whites, and midtones provides the color. So basically we are going for midtones there, and just you can simply change the color to red or blue according to yourself. And yeah, it is changing the color of the both, and now it is blending perfectly with the background. Image is not looking like random. So yep, it is looking accordingly according to the background. Still we can make some changes and customize it accordingly, or we can customize it according to the background. So now I'm going to show you how you can customize the image according to the background. So let's delete this one, and now you want to customize image according to the background. Same step, go to color balance, and this time just press hit this button so that this layer will affect the layer only below it. So it will only going to affect the image layer. So now we are going for the shadows, and let's apply some reds. Okay, and some yellows. Okay, this much is enough. And for highlights, we are not going to change midtones. So okay, for highlights we would put same settings as shadows. This one is 29 and this one is minus 13. Okay, so and now this image is looking according to the background and this image is getting blended. You can see the difference between the both. This image is looking much better, but still it is not looking as appropriate it should be. So we would be playing with some levels. Levels are like adding blacks and whites to the image, making it maybe darkening the highlights, and you can darkening the shadows and light giving whites to the highlights. So you can use levels for that. So we can simply just take levels and hit this icon so that it does not affect background. We will add some, we will make the image a little bit crispier, and we would use we would take it to the left so that it adds some shadow part to the image. making image a little less in brightness, maybe making it is similar to taking away its brightness. So we are just taking like this, just put it, and now you can look at the image, it is perfectly blending, and you can remove these two stuff, and you can see how the image and background are reacting with each other, and you can use this, and it is looking a much better than previous one, and it is not perfectly matching, but it is better than previous one. You can play with these settings and make your images according to the background. And if you have enjoyed the video and you are here till now and find it helpful, make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, please make sure to hit a subscribe also. And you can also follow me on different social media platforms down there on at the bottom. So yeah, that's it for the video. See you in the next video. Bye guys.